Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this killer core workout. I will be using this flex base loop band, which I am going to talk about for a few seconds. This video is not sponsored by the way, but I could not help but share how much I love these flex base bands. Each purchase comes with one black mesh carrying pouch, two latex loop bands. I'm using the medium resistance one today in turquoise, one turquoise long latex TheraBand, one fabric resistance band with anti-slip technology, and one black section band. I love how travelable this pouch is. I find that these bands have helped me target different muscle groups more efficiently, and they definitely challenge my workouts a lot more. So don't forget to use code Jasmine10 for $10 off your flex bands. Without further ado, let's get started. As always, I do 40 seconds of an exercise and 10 seconds of rest in between sets. First up, we have a low plank with alternating knee taps. You want to keep your hips and pelvis stable. This is really going to challenge your core. Don't let your butt wiggle, don't let your hips wiggle, and keep that core tight. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second breather. If you need to go into a child's pose, feel free to do so. Untuck your toes, relax. We're going to be going back into a low plank for tendu derrière or leg lifts in our low plank with our band around our ankles to add some resistance to our glutes. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second breather. Last plank exercise we have here. We're going to be doing 20 seconds of double knee taps, 10 seconds of a side plank, and 10 seconds of the opposite side plank. Let's get started. Double knee taps. This one's killer. We have 20 seconds. Keep going. Transitioning to one side plank, keep your hips stacked and shoulders stacked as well. Let's switch sides to the other side plank. And relax down from that plank. Get ready to roll back onto your back, place the band around your feet, and we go into some bicycle crunches with the resistance band around our arches. Option 1, keep your head and your neck lifted. Option 2, you're going to tap your opposite elbow to your opposite knee to really target those obliques. And finally, relax. Keep the loop band around your arches, and the next one we're going to drive our knee to our nose in that same setup. So lift your head and your neck off the floor, pull one knee to your nose, and you're going to pulse your knee to your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then switch sides. Do 4 on each side. 4, 3, 2, 1, and keep going. 25 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Relax. Prop yourself up onto your elbows for the next one. Keeping the resistance band around our feet still, on your elbows, point your toes, send your legs out in front of you. We're going to lift our legs all the way up, all the way down. And when you come back up again, you're going to abduct your legs away against the resistance of the band and in. We go down, bring them back up, open your legs, and bring them in. Try to keep your core stable. Don't bend your back and don't banana your spine. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. We're going back on our back and we're going to be doing toe taps. So put the band around your thighs, keeping your knees bent 90 degrees, keeping the band taut the entire time. You can either lift your head and your neck off the floor like we did previously or keep it flat on the floor. Be sure not to lift your lower back. And finishing the last one. Very last exercise to finish out this intense 7-minute killer core workout or flutter kicks. I got a little bit confused here, guys, so don't mind my brain fog, but you're just going to put your hands underneath your butt and flutter kick your legs all the way down and all the way up without lifting your lower back. Keep going, belly button to spine. I challenge you to lift your head and your neck off the floor if you can. Really target those abdominals. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Relax, guys. Amazing job today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to check out the flex bands. I will put them in my link in description down below. I hope you feel strong. I hope you feel ready for the day. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.